Hey guys, Matt Blick here with Crypto Blick. Just want to give you a quick part 3 update on the Brave browser. I am constantly learning new things as I work within the browser, and wanted to keep you guys updated and let you be informed as I discover things so you don't have to do all the digging yourself. So just a quick overview of Brave rewards. You get rewarded for searching the internet and going to different websites, and the Brave browser will block those ads that pop up. But if you turn on Brave rewards, they will serve you ads anywhere from 1 an hour to 5 an hour, depending on your settings, what you set. And in return, you get BAT tokens. Well, so the last few days, I've been seeing an interesting amount of lack of rewards, and I was kind of curious why that was happening, so I checked into it. So there's about 3 different things I'll recommend right now in terms of what to look for, and let's hop into it right now. One thing that I saw when I was doing my research is they said to go to Brave, about Brave, and check and make sure your browser is up to date. I know that sounds like common sense, but unlike Chrome on the top little right side up here in the browser, it will let you know, hey, you need to update the browser. Brave has not done that, and so I actually checked my browser this morning, and it was out of date. So I updated that. It did not fix my issue, but that's one thing to check for. As you can tell, now it is updated. Another thing to check on, when you go into your wallet, you can actually back up the wallet here, save your recovery key. Do not share that with anyone else. Keep it safe. I have it blacked out for a reason. But what you can do is you can then go down here and you can restore the wallet by just typing it in here and click restore, and it will restore that wallet. The other thing to do is the wallet verified. So go here, go to the disconnect Brave rewards. You can disconnect it from Uphold, and then you can re-verify it and reconnect to Uphold. It is very easy to do. I did that as well myself to see if that would allow the ads start popping up again, which it didn't, but that is number 2. That's the second thing to check, all right? And then, so, I mean, as you can see, I mean, I've gotten 76 ads just in this last month so far, just by using the Brave browser more. And I've actually only used it for probably the last 2 weeks, probably. So I was like, okay, what's going on? I haven't received one ad today at all. Yesterday I got a couple ads, but nothing like I used to get. I've seen people say, oh, I've got, 84 BAT tokens, or I have 10 BAT tokens, and I'm just like, man, they're really getting a lot of ads sent to them. Well, so the other thing I checked into, and I mean, I can't pull up the article because I got rid of it. But anyways, the other thing I checked into that you need to check yourself is to realize, I found this through Brave's support article, is that they serve you ads based off of what you're searching for and if it's a right fit. So you're not going to be guaranteed to receive 5 ads per hour, every single time, no matter what. If you think it from perspective of the person who's paying for the ads, they want them to be tailored to the actual audience that is searching for, say, a VPN or Amazon.com or some other type of product. And if you're not searching, so say Amazon wants me to buy, let's say, an NFL hat, and watch. I'm going to start getting NFL hat ads on Facebook. I know it, but you know, if Amazon wants me to buy that, but I have nothing to do with NFL, I'm not searching for Amazon, that ad won't get served to me. So that's something I realized, when I first started Brave, I thought, oh, I'm going to get ads 5 times an hour, no matter what. It'll just keep pouring in. Well, I realized you won't get those ads all that time, which is kind of weird. It's a little misleading, I would say, but it makes sense in terms of, hey, if you're not searching for those marketers who are, buying ad space, you're not going to receive those ads. So that is something to consider. If you see yourself not getting ads, that's why. The other part, part 3B, as I'll call it, the second part to this third point, is that the ads will not get served to you if there's not enough ads out there to serve, if that makes sense. So basically, the Brave browser only has so many ads that they will send out per hour or per day, and if there's so many users on the platform that are searching and maybe they can be served the ad, if there aren't enough marketers buying ad space, you won't see any ads coming to you. Now that last point there, I'm still unsure of. I mean, everything I keep reading from people on Reddit, on the Brave support page, that's what I'm seeing to be truth. But it could change. It could change. So one thing I just did want to keep up there is that when you do your settings here, you do 5 per hour. That means you can be sent up to 5 ads per hour. It's not going to mean that you're going to get 5 ads for sure for that hour. So keep that in mind. Hope that's super helpful for you on this part 3 of Brave Rewards. Looking back at Bitcoin today, doing great. I mean, it's 5,374. I'm excited just for the future of Bitcoin, as anyone else will tell you who's into cryptocurrency. I'm not going to be the type of channel that talks about the descending wedge and the head and shoulders. I'll leave that to others who are into trading. I'm here to give you resources to provide you information with getting into crypto and getting started and showing you how easy it is to invest, to pay people through Bitcoin, and to get started. So hope you're having a fantastic day today, guys, and stay in touch. Keep following, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content coming soon. Catch you later.